Over 47 million Americans suffer from intense headaches, which are accompanied by light sensitivity, nausea, throbbing pain, and tension in the neck and back. Most commonly, over-the-counter treatments, like aspirin, Aleve, or Excedrin, fail to provide relief or cause other side effects. Therefore, it is always better to use other, healthier alternatives to soothe headaches. These are some of the most effective ones. Caffeine. Caffeine soothes migraine pain, so it is often included in medications. Namely, it alleviates the inflammation that causes a migraine. Moreover, when combined with an over-the-counter headache medicine, it relieves the pain even quicker, as it becomes 40% more effective. However, note that you should always be careful not to become addicted to it, as its lack might also trigger headaches. Ginger. A study conducted in 2014 found that ginger root powder had comparable benefits with other prescription migraine drugs, and causes no side effects. Banana and ice compress. The Mayo Clinic reports that the application of a cold compress to the head and neck relieves migraines. Also, place a banana peel on the forehead, and as the skin absorbs potassium, your pain will disappear. Flaxseed. Recurring migraine headaches are often a result of inflammation, which can be treated by the increased intake of omega-3 fatty acids. As ground flax seeds and flaxseed oil are rich in omega-3s, you can try adding ground flaxseed to your soups or salads or use flaxseed oil as a salad dressing base. Lavender oil. You should boil 6 cups of water, and then add 8 drops of lavender oil. This soothing vapor will soothe tension headaches as you inhale. Moreover, you can also massage the temples with a few drops of lavender oil. Basil oil. Basil oil is a powerful natural muscle relaxant, which soothes headaches that result from muscle pain and tension. You can substitute olive oil with this one in cooking in order to relax the muscles and alleviate migraine pain. Buckwheat. It is a rich source of rutin, which is a flavonoid that has been proven to soothe inflammation, as the main culprit for migraine headaches. Therefore, make sure you incorporate it into your daily diet. Despite these natural remedies, make sure you make some lifestyle changes in order to solve the problem with headaches. You can make some dietary changes, and try yoga, meditation, exercise, and walks in nature. This will manage stress, provide the needed nutrients for the body, and soothe migraine pain. You can also try acupuncture or biofeedback treatments in case your migraines are too intense and persistent. However, before you reach for over-the-counter medications, make sure you have tried all natural ways to help yourself.